characterized as a reaction to the positive and the other art style, means this is the completely based on the such as the naturalism or the impressionism. The expressionism is the German movement in the literature and the other art which was at it the height between the 1910 to 1925. That the period just before, during and after World War First, its chief pressure were artists and the writer who had in the various way depart from the realistic depicting of life and the world by the incorrupting in their art visionary or the powerful emotion state of mind that are expressed and transmit by the means of the representative the outer world. Among these pressure in the painting were the Vinci van Gogh, the Paul and the Norweg, the Mulch, the Cry, 1894, against a black and the background, a tense figure which is the control the face, uttering a pure horror, is often taken to epitome. What? Because the expression mood, the prominent among the literally principles of the movement in the 19th century, where the French poet Charles and the author Rimbaud, the Russian novelist, the German philosopher Friedrich, and the above all the Swedish are the explain this. This term was not a contract as or the well defined the movement. It can be said, however, that is the central features of the revolt against the artist and the literary condition of the realism, both the subject matter and the style, and the expression artist or the writer undertake to express a person vision, usually a tribal or the tense emotion vision of the human life and the human society, that is done by the extinction and the distorting what according to the norms of the artist realism are the objective features of the world, and by the anybody violent of the mood and the feeling. Often the work implies that what is the depict and the describe represent the expression of the individual standing alone and afraid in an individual technological and the urban society which is the future's view of the future community in this world. This term painting the use the line of the control the object and the form as well as the elaboratory colors and the natures etc. While the word expression was usually in the modern sense as early as 1850, it origin in sometime the trace to the painting exhibition in 1901 in Paris by and the accused the art Julian Augustin, which is called the expressionism. Through and the alternative view is that the term was coined by the class art historian Antoine in 1910 as the opposite of the impressionism. An expressionist wishes above all to the express himself immediate the predicaments and the build on more complex the structure. The impressionism and the metal image that the pass through the metal people's soul as through a filter which rid them of all sustained to the proud their clear eases, and which is the trackable through the simple shorthand formula and the simple. The important of these, the German philosopher French 1844 to 900, they describe the especially his philosophical novel Spoke the Dorothea 1883 to 92, the latter the play of the Swedish dramatist August 1894 to 1912, including the trilogue of Damocles 1898 to 1901, A Dream Play 1902, A Ghost Sonnet 97, 1907, Frank 1864 to 1918, especially the Lulu, the plays, the Earth Spirit 1895, and the Die Buches de Pont means Ponder's Box 1904, the American Poet Walt 1900 to 1819 to 92, Leaf of Grass, this is the famous poem 1855 to 91, the Russian novelist Fyodor 1821 to 1981, the Norwich painter Edvard Munch 1863 to 1944, the Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh 1853 to 90. These are the best example of the expressionism, that means अभिवेदनावाद, जिन्होंने ये सभी पोइटों ने उसके बारे में बताया. Now the friends, here one side is the picture of the expressionism, means अभिवेदनावाद, is the notorious difficult to the define in the part because it overlap with the other major image of the modernist period in the Futurism, the Victorism, Cubism, Surrealism, and the Dart. Richard also comment in search of an all-inclusive definition is problematic to the extent that the most challenging expressionists such as Kafka, where Kafka's and Dobbins were simultaneously the most vicious anti-expressionists. And the expressionism has begun to the flag by 1925 and was the finally suppressed in the Germany by the Nazi in the early 1930s. But it has continued to exist influence on English and the American as well as the European art and the literature. Or we recognize its effect directly or indirectly on the writing and the standing, such as the play like Skin of Our Teeth and the author Miller's The Death of Salesman, as well as on the theater of the abuse, on the poetry of Allen and the other beat writers, on the prose fiction of the Samuel Colt, Junior Joseph Heller, and the Thomas Pinoch, and the number of the films exhibit this art and this literally concept of the art. Friends, in the literally concept, this is the one of the best and for best literally terms for the literature or art. This is the two picture where one side the On White Second, which was published in 1923, Vesey, and here is one picture, The Blind Musician, 1912. This is the best example of the expressionism. Now the third one is the formalism. Formalism का मतलब होता है रूपवाद और रीतिवाद. इसमें हम लोग ये देखेंगे द फॉर्मलिज्म इज अ स्कूल ऑफ लिटरली क्रिटिसिज्म एंड द लिटरली थियरी हैविंग द मेनली टू डू विथ द स्ट्रक्चर पर्पस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट. It is the study of the text without taking into account any outside influence. Formalism reject sometimes simple, break, ignore for the purpose of analysis. Or notion of culture or social influence, authorship and content, and the instead focus on moods, generally discourse and formals. In the literary theory, formalism, reform to the critical approach that analyze, interpret, or the evaluate the inherent features of a text. These features include not only grammar and the syntax but also the literary device such as matter and traps. The formalist approach reduces the importance of a text historical, biographical, and the culture concept. Formalism rose to prominence in the early 20th century as in the reaction against the romantic theory of literature, which central on the artist and individual creative the genius, and the instead the place that takes itself back into the spotlight to show how the text was indebted to forms and the other works that had preceded it. Two schools of formalist literary criticism developed. First is the Russian formalism and the soon after the Anglo-American new criticism. दोस्तों formalism was the dominant mood of the academic literary study in the US at least from the end of the Second World War, means 1945, near about the 1945, through the 1970, especially as embodied in the Rand, Welker, and the Austin Warren's theory of literature, which was published in 1948, then 55, then 62. The formalism research involved the study the way in which students represent their writing, a type of literary theory and the analysis which organized in the Moscow and the St. Petersburg in the second decade of the 20th century. At first, opponent of the movement of the Russian formalism applied the terms formalism derogatory because of its focus on the pattern and the technical device of literature to the excuse of its subject matter and the social value. Later, how even it because a natural design. Among the leading representative of the movement were the Boris Victor and the Roman Jacobson. When this critical mood was suppressed by the Soviet in the early 1930s, the center of the formalist study of literature moved to the Krzyzkolika, where it was continued specialized by the members of Pedagogical Linguistic Circle, which include the Roman, then James, and the beginning in the 1940s, the both Jacobon and the Welk continued their influence work in these forms at the American Literature University. Formalism viewed the literature primarily as a specialized use in the language, and the purpose of fundamental opposition between the literally use in the language and the ordinary practical use of language. Its purpose that the central function of ordinary language it is communicate to auditory a message or information by the reference to the world exists outside of language. In the contrast, it the literary language to be the self-focus, that is the fiction is not to convey influence by the making but the reference but to the offer the readers a special mood of experience by the drawing the attention to it on formal features. That's why we called it is the formalism. Now the fourth one is surrealism. Surrealism that means यथार्थवाद भी उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं और अति यथार्थवाद भी हम लोग इसको बोलते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि द surrealism was a culture movement. The surrealism was a culture movement and it was that began in the early 1920 and it is the best known for its visual artwork and the writing. The aim was to resolve the previously contradictory condition of the dream and reality. The artist painted unwavering illogically sense with photographical patience, created distinct creature from the everyday object and developed the painting technique that allow the unconscious to express itself. The surrealism was launched as a concrete the artist movement in France by the Surrealism 1924. It was success to be the belief movement known as the Dadaism, which emerged in 1960 out of Disgust and the detective of the First World War. The word surrealist was coined by Golima and the first applied in the preface to his play Lies, which was written in 1903 and the first performed in 1917. World War First, Scottish the writers and the artists who had been based in Paris and in the interim many become involved with the Dada believed that the excessive reaction through and burglars value had brought the conflict of the war upon the world. The Dadaists protest with the anti